The Bottle of Doom by Lucas Chichester. I dedicate this story to my mom and dad because I love them so much and they always encouraged me. Boink! Something fell on my head. It was a bottle. It looked like glass, but it felt like rubber. I opened the top. I saw a piece of paper in it that was black as night. I took it out of the bottle. It was a map. I went to the ice cream store. I asked the man for cookie dough ice cream. When he handed me the ice cream, he also gave me a piece of paper. It said, "Go to the movie theater and find the man with the hat that has a bunny rabbit on it." So I went to the movie theater and I looked for a man, but I saw a very big spider with a bunny hat instead. I started running. I saw another piece of paper. I grabbed it and ran 30 feet away from the theater. I was exhausted. I opened the paper. It was a picture of me with a Slimodone. Then I saw me running with 9 fingers. Then I saw the other finger on my hand in the picture. I looked back and saw a Slimodone running toward me. I ran as quick as lightning. I ran into a store. I saw a piece of meat. I threw it outside and the beast started to eat it. I ran to the place that the employees go when they need more food in the store. I saw a velociraptor. I started to sneak through the back. I was as silent as a mouse. Then a velociraptor saw me. I ran as fast as I could. I ran through the door. It was bright as the sun. It felt as if I was being sucked into a whirlpool. Then I was in the air. Wham! I fell on the wet, soggy grass. When I got up, I looked around. The world was back to normal for me now. I saw a boy pick up a bottle off the ground. Then I ran inside and locked the door. I looked outside the window and said 2 words, "Good luck."